Hello. Is clutter your security blanket? Did you grow up not having everything you wanted? And now that you're an adult and you can afford it, you're getting everything you want plus, plus, plus. And now clutter has become your security blanket? Know that that stuff is not what makes you happy. When you think back on your life, oftentimes you'll find the times where you had the least that you had the most wonderful and sweet memories. So try to get rid of some of these things just a little bit every day. I know it's difficult, but you can do it. Just a little bit 4 times a week when you're doing your declutter in your zone. So today, when you declutter, I want you to think, is this my security blanket? Is this stuff making me feel more secure, or is that a lie? It's probably not the truth. It doesn't make you feel more secure. It actually makes you feel more insecure, because you feel the pressure and the heaviness of it. So today, let some go. Have a wonderful day.